Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Jenkins. In this demo, we'll see how to run Jenkins as a standalone server using the Jenkins war file without installing it as a system service. So let's begin. First, we'll create a directory. So if we go to Ubuntu and sudo s, now we'll create a directory npdir jenkins war. Now we'll change the directory to Jenkins war. Now the next step is to download download the war file. So we'll go to the browser and search for Jenkins war file download. If we go to the Jenkins war package, so we'll refresh it. Here you can see we have different version. So we can choose any. So if we select, I will select 2.49 and copy link address. Now we'll go to the Ubuntu server and give the command wget and paste this. Now the next step will give the port number. Like I will give the command java dash char jenkins dot var, and here like by default Jenkins run on 80 port, 8080 port. So here we can pass our custom port http, like we will pass the custom port and give 8888, any port you can give, and after that we pass the prefix equal to slash cloud technology cloud journey. So we'll press enter. So it will take time. And before that, you have installed Java 17, like Java version will be 17. So here you can see. Now we'll go to the browser. So we go to the browser and give local host 888. So if you press enter, it will show error like not found. We have to pass the prefix also, /, and we'll give cloud journey. Now press enter. So here you can see it has started, and after that we'll copy the password. So here, from here you can copy this password and press on continue. So in this way you can download the Jenkins using WAR file. So next of these steps are all same. So we'll see you in the another video. Thank you.